Okay, we're going on a quick test drive. Now, if you see any flickering here on the screens, that's just in camera. That is not in person. And that's not flickering either. That's just in the camera. These ride so nice. Steering's perfectly straight. It doesn't shake or anything. Very, very windy outside, and it has very little wind noise in the cabin. Those grates are pretty big bumps. Usually kind of rattles the cars around, and that went over it like it was nothing. Hitting the brakes. Brakes feel good. Shift super smooth. I'm gonna hit the brakes again kind of hard here. Brakes feel awesome. No issues. Drivability is perfect. Really, really nice. Seats are so comfy. This is definitely a perfect long distance driver car. Everything is super nice. Very, very comfy. All right, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. Looking at the wheel, some very light scuffs here. So that looks good. Here on this little flare, you're going to have your orange peel in some little spots. It looks like it has been painted. And then here on the fender, there's some little sanding marks right there and some little spots in the paint, little dimples and stuff. So this fender has been painted as well. It's very subtle. You got to be really close looking for those little dimples. And then here you can see some overspray. Little texture on that paint, so they taped it off. Side mirror, typical little impacts, otherwise in great condition. A-pillar looks really nice. Now you're going to have your swirls from just everyday washing. You can see that it's kind of hazy. Now we do offer paint correction and ceramic coating here in-house. You get that looking really nice. A couple chips along that lower edge. I do see a light scratch right there. Doesn't really catch my nail. A couple more scuffs there. A-pillar looks good. Those are just little fingerprints, it looks like. We do have some deep gashes right there. That does catch my nail. We have another deep gash right here and some light scuffs. Here on this wheel, couple little spots there, little chips. You're gonna see some down there as well, and a little there. Just kind of scanning through that front end. You're gonna have your typical rock impacts, little swirls. I do see a scratch that does catch my nail. That goes all the way across the hood there, if you can see that. Upper section, most of that looks good. Just typical little rock impacts and kind of everyday swirls. I do see some little dimples in the paint here, so it looks like that's been painted as well. And then you're gonna have your little bug etching, little flaws. You know, when bugs kind of sit on here and kind of etch into the paint. See some very heavy texture right here from that repaint, and you can feel it. Doesn't have like a high gloss anymore. Looks like they just kind of resprayed that whole front end as well. Looking at this fender, that looks really good. Here on that wheel, a couple little chips, but overall in great condition. Looking at the side mirror, this is busted. And then you do have little rock impacts there and kind of bug etching. A-pillar looks good. Typical little swirls. A few small chips. Looking at that wheel, the wheel looks good. You do have some markings here. It looks like something kind of scratched that. Yeah, some flaws here. Looks like something kind of stained the paint. Maybe some bird poop and it etched into the clear. Typical little scuffs. Alright, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. You got the beautiful ambient lighting all throughout the car. Buttons look good, memory seating. Lots of storage. Typical scuffs from getting in and out. Floor mats look awesome. That bolster looks good. Same here, nice and clean. Beautiful seats. Love the pattern on them. Got the steering wheel. That looks really nice. Buttons are in great condition. Looks good. Massive screen. Scanning the upper side of the dash. That looks good. Looking at all the buttons and trim here. That's all in great condition. Alright, checking out the cargo area. That's in great condition. Carpets look good. All of that's nice and clean. Seat backs look nice. All of that looks really good. Alright, looking at this door panel, upper section looks good. You got the memory seating. Love that ambient lighting. Ton of storage there. That trim looks good. Carpets are nice and clean. Here on that bolster, that's in great condition. Same there. I don't see any other flaws on that seat. A little bit of wear right there. This side of the console, that looks good. Beautiful LED lighting in here. Upper side of the dash, that looks nice. Got the massive panoramic roof. Right here on the back right door panel, you do have some damage down here. It's gashed pretty good. A little chunk is missing there. A lot of storage. Ambient lighting looks good. That upper section, nice and clean. So really just that chunk there. Typical scratches from just getting in and out. That bolster looks good. Bottom section looks nice. Beautiful seats. They look really, really good. They are heated. There's your climate control access. You have the ambient lighting here under the seats. Then you got your USB-C port here. A lot of room back here. All right, here on the back left door panel, you have a little notch out of that lower section right there. Light scuffs on that trim. Overall, the seats look really nice. Seat back looks good. Really nice back here. Okay, checking out the engine bay. Just scanning through all of this. Looks really good.